Hello everybody and welcome to the Space Rock Factory plugin review. After you install this plugin into your engine, you will have it here. Just make sure it's activated. And then you will have this beautiful asteroid button here. Or you can access the plugin from the window menu here. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Okay, so the idea behind this plugin is that I was tired to constantly look for nice meshes for my asteroids for the game we're developing right now, the Astrophytes. So I created this tool to get really nice looking scientifically correct asteroids. Some NASA papers involved here. And basically you get the real-time editor for your asteroids. So you can play with the params. Better you look at the documentation here. Yep, you can make lots of different deformations here. The noise amplitudes, the taps, the warp strength here. And as you see, everything changes in real time in the editor screen. So we can play with the params a little bit here. The woolly makes things, just a little bit nature-like. Cracks, we can turn and on and off different elements here. We can make it really messy, or we can just do it like this, just decrease the depth for it to feel natural. Yep, maybe we can even do this a little bit more sharp, or like this. We can play with the craters as you see, playing with the radiuses of them, playing with the ball depth as you see the mesh changes in real time. Yep, we can just make the height a little bit low and make them look like this. I love this. So the clustering, it can go really high if we need this, just this structure. Something like this will do. Let's make it messy. Okay, we also generate the color, the vertex color. And the last step, we can save our asteroid. We can save it either with the pre-generated LODs, which will be included in the mesh. We will do the both options right now. And we can save it ready for Nanite. So we have the path for saving and we have the basic name here. So when we save it, we will have this kind of thing here. And if we look at the vert colors, you see that we already have the masks which are ready for your materials. So the red will be for the cracks, and we have the alpha masks for this, so that will become really handy for you to craft your own materials following your style. So that's a big helper right here. Okay, what if we need some LODs? So we can do this way. We can just select this. Okay, let's make it really high detailed asteroid and save it with LODs. So we'll save the same asteroid. You see the settings are here, so they are both the same, so we can repeat this as many times as we need. And yep, we already have this one with the details, with the level of details. The closer we get, the more details we will get on this dude. So the next thing, it generates the names automatically. The next thing here, just worth mentioning, you like the settings really much, for example, and you want just repeat the same settings for infinite amount of asteroids. So you can change the noise seed and you will get the same settings for the different shapes. It's just those infinite possibilities for making your asteroids, yeah. And scientifically, they look pretty much correct. So that's the things we usually see in space. So please subscribe, please buy my beautiful plugin. I wish you luck. See you later.